All right, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan Froelke, and if you are looking to start your very own online business in 2025, well, keep watching. You are in the right place because in this video, you'll be able to watch over my shoulder as I take a brand new income stream from 0 to 5 figures plus per month online, and you'll be able to copy me every step of the way, step by step, click by click. Now, this is video number 2 in a 3-part training series. Okay, so if you have not yet watched video number 1 yet, well, I will leave the link right below in the description of this video. It'll just say video number 1, and that's the link. So make sure you watch that, or this video right here probably won't make a whole lot of sense. All right? So just to recap what we talked about in video number 1. I shared with you a program that I've been using for over 3 years with great success. And it's an automated system where you can get paid $200, $400, and $600 instant commissions paid directly to us. It's very easy, and that's why I've included it in this video, because if you are a brand new beginner online, this is incredibly easy for you to get started, and it includes everything, okay? It includes capture pages, sales pages, autoresponder, everything you need to have success and make 5 figures plus per month online. This system is called My Automatic Pay, and that's the platform that we're going to be using throughout this video training series to earn these 100% commissions paid directly to us. I've been promoting My Automatic Pay for over 3 years now. It's a good, solid company with a very responsible owner and excellent support. And again, I've been promoting it for over 3 years. I've made a little over $300,000 on the top earner every single month. And incidentally, I just received an award for this just the other day in the mail. #1 earner in MAP. And that's My Automatic Pay. In this training series, you'll be able to copy the same system that I'm using, the same emails that I send out. I'm going to provide those for you absolutely free, the same traffic resources and strategies to go from 0 to 5 figures plus per month online in 2025. So again, this is video number 2. If you have not watched video number 1 yet, please go ahead and do that. In the description of this video, it'll be video number 1 there. All right, so let's get started right now with video number 2 of this 3-part training series on how to go from 0 to 5 figure plus per month online. Let's do it. All right, so you should have purchased My Lead Gen Secret software. And I absolutely love this software because for just $30 a month, it's going to allow us to get 100 leads per day. And you'll also get a custom-built mailing system to email your leads. And we're going to be using my 0 to 10K email swipes to do this. And these email swipes are going to help you get sales. So if you have not already downloaded those, make sure you do that right now. You can find the link below. That's in step number 3, okay? So let's log in to your My Lead Gen Secret members area right now and make sure you have my email swipes opened up, all right? Because I'm going to walk you through the process right now. All right, now this is my members area. And as you can see here, I have a referral link for My Lead Gen Secret. And they have a fantastic affiliate program. As a matter of fact, when you enroll in their affiliate program, you start making sales. You're going to get not only 100 leads per day, but 200 leads every single day. And that's why I'm up to over 100,000 leads. I think it's 100,100. Anyway, we'll check that in a second. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, let's continue with this. And again, you guys, this is really the very best low-cost method to market your system. Actually, you can market any business opportunity with success using My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, so the very first thing we want to do when we get in here is click on Create a Message. Okay, and here is the mailer that they have. This is the mailing system. This is what we're going to do. We're going to load up this mailer with our email and send it to, let me show you how many I have here, 102,700. All right, so this is what I want you to do first. Now, you may only have 100 here, right? So what we want to do, we want to mail by date. And then if you have 100 in here or 200 or 300, you want to select all, okay? And that's going to move them to here, to this column. Okay, so again, I've got 102,700. All right, moving down. And then we want to send from our name. Okay, send from Dan Frolke. Of course, this will be your name, so leave that as is. And then we're going to jump over to our 0 to 10K email swipes that you should have open right here. And this is email number 1. This is the very first one that we're going to mail out. Okay, so as you can see right here, let me go back, the subject line. Okay, I'm going to go back over here, and all we're going to do is highlight this and copy. Right click, copy. We're going to go back over to the mailer, and we're going to just paste it right in here. Paste. Okay, now we're going to go back over the 10K email swipes, and we're going to copy the body. Go ahead and right click and copy, swing over here, and we're going to paste it right here. Now, if you want to, you can paste over this or just highlight it and delete it. And then we're going to paste our copy right in here. And then this is this HTML editor, so we'll have to paste it here first. All right, and click OK. Another way around that is to just click on this and Control V for paste. But anyway, I don't want to confuse you there. And here is the actual body of the email. Now, there's a few things we have to do. We have to run over to your My Automatic Pay members area, and we have to grab a referral link. Here's your referral link, and again, remember, we set this up. It goes to your capture page first, then the sales page. All you need is this link. All right, so I'm going to copy that, and we're going to run back over to the email. And you see where it says watch the video? Well, we're going to create a hyperlink. Okay, you've seen that before. This will be blue. The recipient can easily click on the link and go right to your capture page. All right, so here's what we have to do. We have to highlight it. All right, highlight. And up here, there's a link. There's a link and unlink. Okay, we're going to click on link. And then we're going to go ahead and paste our referral link for My Automatic Pay right in there. Okay, one more thing to do though. We want that link to open up in another window, a new window. So when the recipient gives it a click, it'll open up a new window. All right, so click on target and then new window or blank, new window. Then we click on OK, and then there you have it. It's the hyperlink. Now, you need to delete this. This is just letting you know this is where you put your link in. Okay, so just delete that. And then you see this up here? It's going to add the recipient's first name. Okay, like it's true, John, blah, blah, blah. Now we have special codes for that. So let's just get rid of this. Okay, we're going to delete that because we have a code up here. Full name, first name, last name, email address, IP address, sign up date. So what we want to do, we want to copy this because this is the code that'll allow the system to add the recipient's first name. You know, so it's more personalized. And that always works best. Whoop. Okay, so we want to paste that right there. It's going to read, it's true, John, or whatever first name is, okay? And then what we want to do now, I like to clean this up. Let's clean this up a bit. Get rid of these spaces, all right, so it looks better. Okay, and that's the email. That was easy, right? All right, so what we want to do now, we want to change the font. All right, so let's highlight the whole email. We're going to go up here, and I like to use, you can click on the arrow, I like to use Verdana for my emails. Looks good. And then, well, I should have clicked on the size. And then we want to make the size either 14 or 16. I like 14, a little larger. All right, so that is it right there. Person's going to read this. It's true, John. Would a second income interest you? And all from the comfort of your home. This is perfect for all beginners looking to make real financial change in 2025. And they give this a click, and it goes right to your My Automatic Pay capture page. All right, and then they'll be put through the funnel. All right, so you want to preview this right here, and you can actually check out the link. And let's see if that's right. Yep. Headline, all looks good. You can give this a click and see, opens up in a new window. There's my capture page. All right, so we are all set. That looks great. We're going to close it. You can forget about this for now. Okay, don't worry about this. And then we're going to click on Send Email. All right, Send Email. All right, and as you can see, my message is in key, and then you have to wait about 24 hours to send again. That's it. That's all there's to it. And here is where the excitement starts. People will be opting into your capture page. They'll be redirected to the company's presentation page to learn all about your My Automatic Pay business and how they too can make money online with this system. And at the same time, they'll be added to your contact list inside your members area. So you will be building your list, and that's really what it's all about. And they'll automatically get emails from you from the MAP autoresponder. Okay? Now, earlier in the video, I mentioned the bonuses that you're going to receive from me when you join my team. All right? Well, immediately after, you're going to receive an email from me. Okay? It's my welcome email, official welcome email, and let's take a look at that right now. All right, this is the exact email that you will receive from me when you join me in My Automatic Pay. And the good part is you'll be able to send this exact email to your new members who join you. They will also be able to take advantage of our team bonuses. So you will be providing great value to them with all of our extra training, resources, and strategies. Inside this email is the link to my team training site, and I want to show you that right now. And on top here is my welcome email. It's going to welcome you and your members to MAP, our team. And I have a very short tutorial here that'll show you how to set up your entire system very quickly, just 3 steps. And of course, all of my proven traffic resources. And as you can see underneath that, all kinds of other bonuses as well. Okay, I've got some great image ads right here, and these are brand new. I just had my designer create some great image ads for you. All right, and all kinds of other bonuses too. Free ad submission software, 200 pre-written ads, free websites to advertise every day. I've got Craigslist training with the ads, Facebook group hosting, YouTube SEO, and I'll be adding more bonuses soon. That's what you get when you join me in My Automatic Pay. All right, guys, that's it for training video number 2. Now, I've got a lot more lined up, so stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to make even more money with My Automatic Pay. So, up to this point, you should have went ahead and purchased the My Automatic Pay system. You should have set everything up using my training here, and you should have went ahead and purchased the My Lead Gen Secret software, and you should have sent your very first email campaign out using my 10K per month email series that you got from me for free right below in the description of this video. So you are now ready for video number 3, and I'm really excited about it because I'm going to share with you my strategies on how I became the top earner in My Automatic Pay for over 3 years now, month after month. I'm going to show you how I convert those leads into more sales. You're going to follow me step by step on how I do it. Okay, I appreciate you watching this video, and we'll see you on video number 3.